दूसरा है, अगर हम इस स्पून से वी आर नॉट एबल टू चेंज दिस सिनेरियो, देन कौन आएगा बाहर से? कोई बदलने आएगा नहीं ना, बाहर से तो कोई मिथ्स को ब्रेक करने आएगा नहीं ना। सो दैट इज करेक्ट। नाउ अगेन कमिंग बैक टू आवर टॉपिक, व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि आपके अंदर हार्मोन्स डेवलप करते हैं एट अ सर्टेन एज, ठीक है? और ये फीमेल्स में हार्मोन है ईस्ट्रोजन एंड प्रोजेस्टेरॉन, ओके? ये दोनों हार्मोन्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है तुम्हारे रिप्रोडक्टिव साइकिल के लिए। रिप्रोडक्शन में हार्मोन्स डेवलप होते हैं, कौन से दो हार्मोन्स? ईस्ट्रोजन एंड प्रोजेस्टेरॉन। ये हार्मोन्स अगर कम डेवलप होता है तो वी हैव दैट इरेगुलर साइकिल, ठीक है? जो इरेगुलर साइकिल होता है दैट इज आल्सो नॉट अगेन अ डिजीज। हो सकता है तुम्हारा साइकिल इरेगुलर हो। नॉर्मली अ साइकिल कम्स इन आफ्टर 28 to 30 डेज एज शी सेड, ठीक है? 28 से 30 दिन में आपका साइकिल आ जाता है। किसी का 2 दिन पहले हो सकता है, किसी का 2 दिन बाद हो सकता है। 32 इधर 26 भी हो सकता है, अर्ली आल्सो। एंड दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ दोस टू हार्मोन्स। अगर ये हार्मोनल इंबैलेंस होगा तो आपके साइकिल्स रेगुलर नहीं होंगे। नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस, ये जो हार्मोन्स हैं ये आपके यूट्रस के लाइनिंग को थिक करके चले जाते हैं, ठीक है? क्यों थिक करता है? बिकॉज दीज हार्मोन्स हेल्प इन द रिप्रोडक्शन, ठीक है? और रिप्रोडक्शन का पहला स्टेज ये हार्मोन्स है। इनके बाद ओव्यूलेशन स्टार्ट होता है। इफ यू गो टू द 28 डेज ऑफ द मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल, देखोगे जाकर के उसमें अलग-अलग डेज पे है कि किस डेट में क्या इवेंट हो रहा है आपके बॉडी के अंदर। दिस एंटायर बॉडी इज अ मशीन चिल्ड्रन। आप सो भी रहे हैं, आपका बॉडी काम कर रहा है, ये नॉन स्टॉप 24/7 काम करते रहता है इन 365। ये कभी रुकेगा नहीं, रुकेगा मेंस्ट्रुएटिंग। इवन है ना, बहुत लड़कियों का हो जाता है, तो उनको बताना जरूरी है बिकॉज वी लिव, हाँ ठीक क्लास में बताओ, तो वी लिव इन एन इंडियन सोसाइटी जहां आज तक ये सारे टॉपिक्स को अंडर कारपेट रखा गया है। हमारे इंडियन सोशल सेटअप ऐसा है कि
my experience was very much interesting. I felt like this was something very much new that we learned today. Now in my home there is nothing that much private or anything, but still I was having so many questions like why they said that don't touch the pickle or mother will not go to kitchen. My mother don't tell me these all things, but I was still in confusion that why my nanny told me this thing. So I was confused, but today I get to know that this was a only myth. We should not take this as a curse or anything. And then secondly, ma'am told that we should be very much confident to share with male teachers, father. So I am not that much privileged that I get the benefit of my father because my father is no more. But I am damn sure that if he would be alive, he always get to know that my daughter wants this, or he always make me feel comfort that she never get anything that she thinks that I am something feeling like.
I have also experienced this cycle and it is and my cycle is really irregular. So it was I was really scared at first when my cycle didn't come in like 2 months and I was so scared. But then when I this time I got to know that it is normal and we all face these things. I am not the only one. So this was my experience. I got to know how to manage things.
But I told them to just change that. I really like it, and so we really have to talk about hygiene. I really like all of that, and I really don't know how much is spiritual love, and also I don't know about that. After the session, I can say that I cannot be that much complex, but still I learn to get confidence, and I'm not hesitating now.
So there was a male teacher. So I had to talk to that male teacher, and he provided me that all the requirements I needed. And during the session, I like the most that the males and travels which are in the society. Many of the people are believing that travels that females during the cycle cannot enter in kitchen and it's not a taboo that they should think logically that without entering kitchen they cannot cook food or they will not provide to you all. So during the session I was without and I am a new alien, so I'm
she told me to do that Sunday and I have explained this and that thing which she also shared, girls even get pregnant before they get their period. That was really shocking for me. That was anything that I learned. And the other things like using that menstruation cup, which I was also scared because my mother was told me, but I didn't. So that's what.
What about our society, where we always respect our bondings and also we respect about the situations that women go through. I have always thought that men should understand maturely that what we go through is really a big deal. And it's not a thing to be mature, you don't have to laugh upon it. Because when you laugh, you make people feel insecure about themselves. So when you see pictures about things that everybody has, I don't think it's just something to laugh about. And also,
get to know about these tampons, menstrual cups, and I will that I will.
You will use if needed, isn't it? Very good. Very good.
From females and male members also,
I usually talk with my father only about this thing, but now I will make sure that I will talk to all other male members among my family and anywhere if I have this problem, and I will motivate other girls also for this same thing.
Thank you.
So much, ma'am, for this session. And this is a very new for us for hygiene tips and all the stereotypes. We didn't know about that. And for this session, we got more about. And
My mom used to tell me that when she got married to my dad was 30, and she had just moved to Ambala, and one day she had her first period after marriage, and she told my dad, "Ki, where can I buy sanitary napkins from?" And he said, "What is that?" So she's like pads for my periods. So he's like, "Wo kya hota hai?" My dad at 30 was not educated about periods. Can you imagine that? It's quite shocking. It's very shocking that